as the COVID-19 global threat grows, the numbers of infected and the death toll mounts.
My fellow Americans.
And in the United States, President Trump reacts with a travel ban for Europe. Hello, I'm Anand Naidu, and welcome to The Heat. From Asia to the Middle East and from Europe to the Americas, the coronavirus is causing havoc and fear. According to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University, the number of global cases is approaching 130,000, and the global death toll is more than 4,700. Meanwhile, in the United States, President Donald Trump has responded by introducing a travel ban on 26 European countries. We begin with that part of the story with this report from CGTN's Toby Muse.
Travelers struggled with the impact of US President Donald Trump's surprise announcement, which banned travel from 26 European nations to the US.
Thank you all very much.
On Thursday, Trump said he hoped that travel ties with China and Europe will be re-established quickly.
This is a big world problem. We've taken some bold steps, and hopefully we can get it back together very quickly in terms of re-establishing with China. That's on track to something happen fairly quickly because they've made a lot of progress over the last 3 or 4 weeks. And certainly with Europe, we think we can go hopefully very quickly.
The US State Department raised its global travel advisory, urging Americans to reconsider travel abroad. The ban will not apply to the UK or Ireland. Here at Washington's Dulles International Airport, there was a noticeable lack of passengers. Another sign of how the coronavirus outbreak is impacting day-to-day life here. This passenger from Sweden changed his flight to return home before other flights were cancelled.
We are traveling today because we have our flight on Monday, but every flight is cancelled, so therefore we have rebooked and go in today.
Others said that they would keep traveling, but would be more conscious of keeping themselves safe.
I think there's no time to travel right now. Or if you're traveling, please be careful, like wash your hands, use sanitizers, and, have the right education to travel.
Meanwhile, the US Capitol announced it was closing to the public until April, and the White House has temporarily suspended public tours in an effort to curb the spread of the virus. Toby Muse, CGTN, Washington.